What I have today is a Stanley number 358 miter box. Now, Stanley started to produce this type of miter box in 1905, and the 358, they continued to make it up until 1972 when they discontinued this particular model. Now, it's a pretty big miter box. It's about 20¼ inches long. The bed's about 4¾ inches wide. The back fence is about 3½ inches high. Now, use a big saw. This is actually a 5" by 28" back saw. It's a pretty big saw. They actually made some models that actually used a big 30" by 6" saw. Now, this particular miter box, it's missing a couple of the work stops that go here and here, and it does have the rods and the little tree for setting up to make multiple cuts, and that's what this rod is here. Now, it has the usual detents, 90, 22½, 30, 45, and it also has a 60-degree detent, which is something a lot of boxes don't have, and that's where it's sitting right now, is at 60 degrees. It also has the markings on top here. If you want to make a 4-sided box or a 5-sided, 6, 8, 12, or 24" you can just bring it around and set it in the detent. And it also has a vernier scale around the front here, and it is marked, so it's pretty easy to set this thing where you want it, and not too easy to set it up between the detents, but I don't think you really need to with all the ones that's provided with it right now. Now, this is a Sweetheart era box. It was made sometime between 1918 and 1935, and I'm not going to go into the Sweetheart thing, but